It's the daily math problem. Pause the video, give this one a try, and then come back for a full explanation. The first thing I like to do is to clarify what it is that I'm actually looking for, which is just what is A. And A is this algebraic equation based on the C variable, and they give us this second equation, hoping that we will solve for C, plug that back in, and then go about our business. But as we can clearly see now, this is going to be very tedious because there's a lot of negatives and positives to deal with, a lot of different distributions and things that will easily get you a mistake. And it's no wonder that it's easy to make a mistake here because this is question number 18 on the SAT, which is considered a hard question. So we're just going to skip this whole entire thing, call it a waste of time, whatever you want. Instead, here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to choose our own numbers to plug in. Notice how the C variable is present in both equations, and both A and B are based off of that C. If we choose a C right now, we will be able to plug that C value in, find B, and find A. Doing something like this makes this problem super easy because it will eliminate all the algebra. Once we find our B, now we just plug in and find the A for the sake of time. Here it is. And the cool part about this is that the question asked, what is A? Well, we just found that A is 144, and all we need to do is take the B value that corresponds to it, plug it into our answers, and see which one gives us 144. So after plugging in the B equals to 0, we see that we're going to be left with two answers, C and E. And just because we have the two answers doesn't mean we have to guess. We can go back and choose a new C value and try this whole thing again. Except this time around, we already eliminated some of the answers, so we don't need to do too much work, especially if we can use a calculator. But overall, this whole entire method will save you a lot of time, a lot of trouble, and get you some easy points. And as you can see, once we plug that B in, C is the only one that works with that A value.